Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the online class. As you know that yesterday we have finished the chapter. We have also summarized this chapter yesterday, and today we are here with the exercises. We will deal with the exercise part, and I will suggest you all that please take a book and a pencil with you. And as I am solving the exercises of the chapter, I'll request you to fill your book with the discussion. Okay, while watching the video I will suggest you please complete your book too, otherwise it will become a burden for you to complete the book, so that it will be helpful for you to please fill your book with me also. Okay, so now let's begin the discussion over exercises. Your first exercise is working with the text. Your first exercise is working with the text. Here it is given, answer the following question. This I have given in your assignment too, and it will be helpful for you to complete the assignment too, right? So now we'll discuss the question answer. The first one is, why did Taro run in the direction of the stream? As here paragraph number is also given, you can go with the paragraph also for completing this exercise question answer. Okay. So why did Taro run in the direction of the stream? So Taro ran in the direction of the street because he was thirsty, and he had never heard before the sound of falling water in that area. Yeah, he was thirsty too, and he haven't heard a sound of that rushing water. So he ran towards the direction of the stream from where the sound was coming. Second, how did Taro's father show his happiness after drinking shake? How did he do when he had the shake? What was brought by Taro? What was his father reaction? Taro means shake gave when Taro offered that shake to his father. He it gives immense feeling, immense warmth, as well as energy to the old man, his father, and he stopped shivering and he started dancing in the between of the floor. Right? That's what happened when he had that shake. He started dancing in the between of the floor. Third, why did the waterfall give Taro's shake and others water? Why do you think the waterfall from where he took that shake? It tasted shake to Taro, but it doesn't tasted shake to others. Why? As it was a magical story, and as he was a very thoughtful and very obedient child, was they means he was obedient son to his parents, so that's why Sheikh was rewarded for his goodness, and he was very he did all the works with his all means ability capability, but the other people who reached there, they were greedy. They were greedy, and that's why it tasted shake for Taros, but it tasted only a plain water for the others, because they were greedy, they were not hardworking, as Taro was very hardworking son. Fourth, why did the villagers want to drown Taro? Why the villagers wanted to drown Taro? When the villagers went to the waterfall to collect the shake, they didn't find the shake. They only what they found? They found only the plain cold water. They thought Taro had tricked them, so they looked for Taro and tried to punish him. If he will be there, then they were going to punish him. Why did the emperor reward Taro? Why did he reward Taro? The emperor of Japan rewarded Taro for being good and kind toward his parents. Yeah, he was very kind and very good to for his parents, and this was the way to encourage all the children to respect, obey, and serve their parents. Yeah, we are reading this chapter too because so that we could understand the thing from Taro, how he did everything to fulfill their parents' wish, right? So we should also do the same. We should always take care of our parents and try to fulfill their wish. Even not even the parents, we should always respect our elders too, whether they are elders and youngers too. Okay, so this is all about the question answer. Now we'll deal with the question number B, mark the right item. I have given this in assignment too, but I will deal it where only I'll give the answers, the correct options. Taro earned very little money because the price of wood was very low, because he was doing his best, but the price of the wood was very low. Second, Taro decided to earn extra money. How? Taro decided to earn extra money um, to buy his old father's son's sake. Yeah, he decided to work hard so that he could buy shake to his father. Third, the neighbor left Taro's hut in a hurry because she wanted to tell the whole village about the waterfall. Yeah, because she wanted to tell the whole village about the waterfall. Now here, working with the language, this too I have given in the I have given this in the assignment, right? So you have to say that, strike off the words. You have to mark the words in the box below that are not suitable. That are not suitable. You have to mark the words which are not suitable. Taro wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. This shows that he was, as Taro was, he wanted to serve his parents everything they needed. So this shows how was the means how was he? Uh, he was thoughtful. He was kind, loving, hardworking. Yeah, thoughtful, hardworking, kind, and loving. Okay, this will be the answer. Question number B. This made Taro sadder than ever. This refers to, you have to mark the correct one. I will tell only the answer. This refers to Taro's inability to buy expensive shake for his father. You have the book, you have the pencil also. Please mark all the answers in your book, okay? This said the emperor was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. This refers to uh, sending to rewarding Taro with gold and giving the fountain his name. Yeah, this will be the correct answer. This refers to, yeah, rewarding Taro with gold and giving the fountain his name. Now here, arrange the words below in the pair that rhyme. Yeah, you have already learned this, right? That means you know about the rhyming words, what I am giving always to find out the rhyming words from the poem. Here also you have to just arrange them in such a way that they should rhyme with each other. Okay, two examples are given: young, lung, money, sunny. Now you have to find out the rhyming words of each other, and just you have to make them in pairs. I have given this in your assignment. I want you to do it by yourself, okay, because this is very easy. Okay, for example, wax, axe, chop, stop, sad, bad. These are the things. Rest of the things you have to do it by yourself. Okay, here, fill in the blanks with the words from the box. This is also a part of assignment what I have given. Okay, so I will only tell the answer. A dash woodcutter lived on a lonely hillside. The answer will be, a young woodcutter lived on a lonely hillside. He was a dash son who worked dash but earned dash money. So the answer will be, he was a thoughtful son who worked hard but earned little money. One day he saw a dash waterfall hidden behind a rock. One day he saw a beautiful waterfall hidden behind a rock. He tasted the water and found it dash. He tasted the water and found it delicious. Okay. Find these sentences in the story and fill in the blanks. This is also a part of assignment. I have given the answers to. Okay, and now we will finish this with the answer. These made, first one is these made Taro dash than ever. What do you think? The answer will be sadder. Yeah, when this happened when his father asked him to buy a shape for him so that he will feel some warmth. He decided to work dash than before. He decided to work harder than before. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed dash than usual. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed earlier than usual. Okay. He began to chop even dash. He began to chop even faster. Next morning, Taro started to work even dash than the morning before. Next morning, Taro started for work even earlier than the morning before. As you know, some numbers are given in the bracket. You can take the help of these numbers and you can go with the following paragraphs and please fill the blanks. Okay. Here some speaking and writing things are given. Speak the following sentences clearly but as quickly as you can. Learn them by heart. You have to speak this word and you have to learn this. Okay. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would? You have to memorize it. Okay. This you have to read it and you have to memorize it. The story Taro's Reward shows that Taro is a thoughtful, hardworking, and also wise. Read aloud the parts of the story that shows this quality. Yeah, you have to find it yourself. That Taro's Reward, how he was thoughtful, hardworking, and also wise. Okay, for example, I would say thoughtful means he thought about his parents and he worked very hard for fulfilling their parents' wish. Hardworking by listening when his father told him that he wanted to drink the shake. He worked very hard. Even earlier, he got up early, and even he worked harder and he chopped all the woods even faster. And later on, means he can earn some more money to buy that expensive shake what his father wished. And he was wise. How this is clear? He is wise when all the villagers reached to the place where the waterfall was found, and they thought of drowning Taro in the water. So by listening this, Taro decided to slip behind a rock and hide himself so that all the villagers will go from there and he will be safe. Second, like Patrick in the story, who did Patrick's homework? The first chapter of this book, Honeysuckle book. Taro is helped by magic. Do you believe in magic? Yeah, in first chapter also you have seen Elf. Elf was an imaginary character, and here also you have seen an magic about a waterfall which only tasted shake to Taro's and Taro's family. Do you believe in magic? What are the magical things that happen in this story? You have to find out the things what happened in this story. Which story do you like better and why? Do you know such stories in other languages? Discuss these questions in the class. You have to discuss this question in the means you have to discuss it. I will discuss this in the class also. Which story did you like the most? Whether the Patrick homework or this Taro's Reward. Okay. Now write a paragraph or two about these two stories, comparing them. Now you have to write a paragraph over these stories. Okay. This would be an interesting thing, I must say. Listen to these children what they are talking about. Okay. I think swimming is more difficult than driving. I think it is much less difficult. Anyhow, Neither of them is as difficult as learning English. Okay. They are talking about some difficult or easy thing. They are talking as one told that the swimming is difficult than driving. Yeah. Second told that I think it is less difficult than driving. Means swimming is less difficult than driving. Okay. And the third one what told that means neither of them is as difficult as learning English. Means he told that learning swimming or learning driving is okay, but learning English is more difficult than both of them. Work in a group, come to some agreement on each of these activities given below. Decide which is the most interesting, dullest, most dangerous, safest, most rewarding, most exciting. Now you have to make, I think, 1 2 3 you have to make 6 columns. Okay, and you have to place the things wherever it exists, wherever you want to put the things. Okay, you have to means place these all the words what is given in the pink box and find out your wish. It's your choice after all. Okay, I can't help in this because my thinking and your will be different. So you have to place these all things in that column. You have to just make a 6 column and you have to place these words which is given here. Okay. Okay, we reached up to dictation. Your teacher, means I, will ask the words given below. Write against each 2 new words that rhyme with it. Yeah, you have to write some of the words which should rhyme with this given words. Okay, bed, wax, fast, chop, young. You have to just find out the rhyming word through this for this words given here. Okay. So for bed, I think shed, lead, wax, axe, facts. You can take the help of this given box. Okay, yeah, these given box you can take the help of here also. For one, it is you can, and for the second, you have to use your mind also. So wax, axe, facts, fast, last, cast, chop, cop, flop, stop. Yeah, young, in that we have seen lung and among, tongue. Okay, so this is all about the chapter. And one more thing is given here. These are given in your assignment too. You have to find out with the help of as it is written there. Answer is on the page number 40, but still I want you to find out which are the 2 states that flank New Delhi's border. You have to find out the means uh, you have to find out the states that flank New Delhi's border. Okay, and one more is there. Name the states through which the Narmada river flows. You have to do this by yourself. Okay, yeah, as here page number is also given, you can go with that also. So this is all about the exercises. We have done all the exercises and I hope you have completed all the exercises with me. As I have told you in starting that please sit with a book and a pencil so that you can complete your book too. Okay, so this is all about the exercises of which chapter? Of Taro's Reward. Okay, so I will suggest you please complete your books and assignments and your notebook also. So have a nice day to all.